Are you an aspiring entrepreneur, mini dairy owner, or a business person who wants to start a dairy processing business? Then click the link below right now and register for the Ask the Dairy Expert program, where I am going to teach you everything you need to know about dairy business to start with. My name is Amardeep Singh Chadda and I am director at Chadda Sales Private Limited. I have been on dairy business for last 25 years and worked with many dairy entrepreneurs and helped them to run successful dairy processing business. What I observed during these 25 years was that many people get confused in the beginning stage of a dairy business. There is lot of information out there which is not whole and complete. Let me clarify once and for all. Dairy business is not a dairy farming business. You don't need cows, buffaloes, or any animal to start a dairy processing business. All you need to know are the 4 successful pillars which are necessary to start a successful dairy processing business. To know more about 4 simple steps and how you can start this business, click on the link below and join me for the Ask the Dairy Expert program right now.